Jim. So you're the speaker on an upcoming Association of Manufacturing Excellence webinar that is titled Lean Construction, How You Should Build Your Next Manufacturing Facility. So what can we expect?
Listen, people in manufacturing have been living in the world of lean for decades, and it works, right? It allows us to build things quicker, higher quality, satisfy our customers, more profit. It's a better mousetrap. And when we try to build things, we see that the construction industry, in many ways, is broken. And it's frustrating because people in manufacturing, we peer over the fence at the construction folks and think, why can't they do what we do? Because there's so many apparent similarities between the two industries. Well, the fact of the matter is that we have made strides in adapting lean principles to make use in a project-based environment. And there are ways to make construction projects go better, faster, stronger. And that's what I'm here to tell you about.
All right, great. And so people who might be interested in this, then I would imagine they're going to be owners. Who else? Maybe private equity proceeding with expansions. Who else might be?
Absolutely. All project stakeholders are going to want to know about this because every project stakeholder is frustrated by projects that go long and over budget. So whether it's investors, bankers, municipalities, owners, equity investors, they're all going to have a vested interest in seeing those construction projects go smoother.
Okay, great. We're looking forward to it.
Me too.